Now children, our next topic is properties of salts. Salts can be clear, transparent or opaque. Salt can be sweet, bitter, salty or sour in taste. Pure salt is odorless, means उसकी कोई भी smell नहीं होती. So sometimes salts are found as crystals as they contain water molecules as part of their structure. This water is called the water of crystallization. Crystal salts consisting water of crystallization are called hydrates. For example, hydrated copper sulfate has 5 molecules of water in its crystal form, so it is called copper sulfate pentahydrate. Means its chemical name is copper sulfate pentahydrate, which is written as CuSO4. Cu is a symbol of copper and SO4 is for sulfate. So copper sulfate and H2O, you know, H2O is a water. So how many molecules of water are there? 5 molecules. So children, copper sulfate penta word we use for means it is a prefix which we use for 5. Okay, mono, di, tri, tetra and penta. Penta is for 5. So this is pentahydrate. Word water means for water we use the term hydrate. So this is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Upon being heated, the crystals lose their form and turn into a powdery substance. You know that this kind of salt is a copper sulfate pentahydrate. It is a bluish in color and children it will look like this, means you can easily see crystals in this salt and it is crystallized salt, and in this crystal water molecules are also present. So that's why its formula is this copper sulfate pentahydrate. Okay, and if we heat this salt, or we can say if we heat these crystals, then what will happen? Water will evaporate from this and we can get powdery substance from these crystals. So children, these are the some properties they have given of different salts, and some salts are clear, transparent, and some are opaque, like this one is opaque, and some salts are bitter in taste, some salts are salty in taste. Up to now you should know that you have only aware of salty taste of salts, but children, up now you should know that some salts are sweet in taste also, some are bitter in taste, and some are sour in taste. This depends on the acids and bases from where we formed these salts. Okay, so they always depend on the formation of salt depend on the acid and bases we are using for neutralization reactions. And pure salts are always odorless, means there is no any kind of smell is there in the pure salts. So next property is most salts dissolve in water and solids at room temperature. Means most of the salts, hardly any salt is not dissolving in water, but most of the salts always we can dissolve in water and they exist as solid at room temperature. Okay, however some salts are insoluble. So let's see